Hi. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 ingredients to look for in skincare products to prevent aging. And by incorporating these ingredients into your skincare routine, you can delay the aging process and maintain a youthful-looking skin for a longer period of time. The first in the list is retinoids. These are a type of vitamin A that aid in boosting collagen production and cell turnover, resulting in smoother and firmer skin. Second, hyaluronic acid. It's a powerful ingredient that keeps the skin hydrated and plump, which can prevent the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Third, vitamin C. It's a potent antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from free radical damage caused by sun exposure and environmental factors. It also brightens the skin and improves skin texture. Fourth, peptides. These are short chains of amino acids that can help to stimulate collagen production in the skin, also leading to firmer and smoother skin. Fifth, niacinamide. It's a form of vitamin B3 that helps to improve the skin's barrier function, which can reduce moisture loss and prevent the signs of aging. Sixth, alpha-hydroxy acids. These are a group of exfoliating acids that help to remove dead skin cells and stimulate collagen production, which can improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And finally, at number 7, coenzyme Q10. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from free radical damage and improve the skin's texture, which also can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By incorporating these 7 anti-aging ingredients into your skincare routine, you can slow down the signs of aging and keep your skin looking youthful for longer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.